Hello,
board gamers. We have another unboxing for you today. Today we're looking at Blood Rage, a game by Eric Lang, a very successful game designer, and published by Cool Mini or Not. In this game, it looks like you are Vikings fighting for honor because Ragnarok has come. So let's see what's inside the box, shall we? Alrighty. A hefty rule book. Looks like it's clocking in at 23 pages, rulebook. A pouch with various punch outs in it. It does have an easy open. Looks like locations that have been defeated or devoured by Ragnarok. Looks like different clan tokens. A board with the first age, second age, and third age. Your clan boards, the wolf, serpent, raven, and bear. As well as in there, I know I saw a panel for Valhalla. Once you have died a glorious death, you get to go to Valhalla, and I know there are ways that you can score points by having folks die and go to Valhalla. We have 4 very handsome player counters with a skull on one side and the inverted skull on the other side. A small, or a deck of small cards that have some of the age cards in them, H3, H2, and H1. I think these are the combat cards that affect the way that you do things. Insert for those. Looks like we're probably going to be making an insert for this game. A board, a very handsome board. Look at that. Look at the artwork on there. Isn't that beautiful? A blue area, gray, yellow, and Yggdrasil in itself. And then inside of each of these smaller boxes, I believe, are the miniatures. Would make the most sense. Open from the side. Those guys, the monsters. Oh, look at him. I do paint, and I think that I'm just going to have to paint this game up. They are far, far, far too pretty and hefty. They're solid minis with good quality, very good quality. I think I'm going to be forced to paint them. And then the other big old box of miniatures. The ships. Their sail colors. The monsters, or mercenaries, I suppose, probably, that remain. As well as a solid number of miniatures. And they are cool miniatures. They are not cool miniatures. And then the rings themselves, solid plastic rings to fit on the basis of them to mark for which player they are. Alrighty, guys, Blood Rage is on the docket towards the end of Season 1, so we will have that posted within the next coming weeks. Alrighty, thank you. Play more games.
Thank you for watching another episode of Board with Friends. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out our GoFundMe page linked in the video description. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope that you're never bored, but if you are, we hope that you're bored with friends.